This is Trent Zimmer at Unity Tactical. At Unity Tactical, we strive to be the most innovative and problem-solving company in the industry. We work hard every day to make sure that the products that we come up with really fill a market gap or market niche. We're extremely passionate about problem solving and about innovation, and it's really important to us. And frankly, as a company, it's who we are. So we want to ensure that we support all of our end users with solutions that actually solve their problems. We're not interested in making another product that does something that somebody else does really well, and we try to prove that through all of our product releases. Another large portion of our business is actually OEM. We make a lot of products for people that don't have our logo on them and products that people never know we make, and that's okay. Our primary goal is solving problems, helping other companies be successful. It's really important to us that we maintain extremely high ethical standards and a very strong, solid reputation within the industry. And we build extremely good friendships and relationships and business partnerships along the way doing so. It's important for us that we really focus on the things that we're good at. And I think what we're good at is innovation and design and engineering. And we have the team to support it. So we really rely heavily on manufacturing partners that are experts in what they do. It allows us really to focus on being agile, supporting customer needs, rapidly iterating on designs, and getting designs that really make a difference to the end users. It's really important and exciting for us to work with end users that are putting our products to use, to hard use, to see those iterative processes get broken and those products be broken in the process and come out stronger as a result of it. Working closely with our industry partners, being able to just have free and open communication with them and rapidly iterate on ideas, because ultimately we're all on the same team, and that team is to support the warfighter, U.S. law enforcement, civilian shooters, the competition market, enthusiasts, everybody, and we want to support them with products that really just make a difference. Every product we make, our intent for that product is for it to just be much better or to fill a gap that's been never paid attention to, or a gap in the market that has existed for a long time, or create a new market for ourselves. And that's what we really enjoy, and that's what drives most of the people here, is to be a part of something that we can work towards as a team and have fun doing it.